Atari would like to thank you for taking us into your homes. We wish you all a happy holiday.
Only from Atari. Made especially for systems from Atari. The video game that lets you help E.T. get home. Just in time for Christmas. Happy holidays.
Take advantage of Pay and Save's new low prices for Christmas.
Pay and Save has the gifts you want at our lowest prices of the year.
Like these Atari game cartridges, only $26.88 this week. Pac-Man, Defender, Asteroid, and Sword Quest. Make for great enjoyment on your Atari 2600 video game.
And these cartridges are specially priced this week at only $29.99. $5 savings on fun for the entire family.
The gifts.
Opening now at Sears, a Christmas of red ribbon values, including Sears' best-selling video game, Video Arcade. On sale now for only $134.99, our lowest price ever. And don't miss the full assortment of game cartridges available at everyday low prices. Or try your hand at Sears' wide selection of 1- and 2-player handheld sports games. Our everyday low price is $12 to $13 lower than last Christmas. To wrap up a beautiful Christmas, you can count on Sears.
'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the ship, not a sensor was flashing, not even a blip. When there was a huge crash, to the bridge I then ran, and thereupon St. Nicholas with joystick in hand. With Atari's Miss Pac-Man, he gobbled and scored. Then on to Jungle Hunt, he played till he roared. From out of his sack, he pulled dozens of games, all the great ones from Atari, our favorite names. Before I could thank him, he beamed out of sight. With a Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
After these messages, we'll be right back. We'll be right back.
I don't want to grow up. I'm a Toys R Us kid.
There's a million toys at Toys R Us that I can play with.
Toys R Us has the Nintendo Action Set. It comes with control deck, 2-game controllers, zapper light gun, and double game pack. All for just $99.99. And with all the hottest game cartridges from $29.99 to $59.99, Toys R Us is Nintendo headquarters.
More games, more toys. Oh, boy! I want to be a Toys R Us kid.
Pepsi Nintendo Holiday Game, where you could win one of thousands of terrific Nintendo prizes. Like these action sets, game packs, and best of all, the sensational new Game Boy. So hurry up and play before it's all over. Look for details on how to win your Nintendo prize wherever you see these Pepsi holiday displays.
You can make Christmas wishes come true when you shop at Brundle's. This Christmas, the whole family will love to play the Nintendo video game. Action sets come complete with all the necessary hardware and accessories. Plus, you can choose from over 40 different video game cartridges. It's fun and excitement for all ages. Happy holidays from Brundle's.
I've been away so long, but no matter where I've gone, I'm never away for the holiday. I'm bringing Christmas home.
This Christmas, bring home the Nintendo Entertainment System. Action set, only $99.99 at Target.
Target, bringing Christmas home.
So the boy fell asleep in the Toys R Us store. And he woke up with toys from the ceiling to the floor.
We got the Nintendo action set, including the control deck with double game pack and zapper light gun for just $99.99 at Toys R Us. And we have all the hottest game cartridges at great everyday low prices.
Love growing up with my Toys R Us kid. Toys R Us. You'll never outgrow us.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
There's Dad over there.
Ooh, I just love all the new things Kmart has here.
Oh, I can see that.
So that's the new Super Nintendo Entertainment System.
What about it?
They say it has 16-bit technology, whatever that means.
Oh, I see. What else do they say?
That it has 3D graphics and digital stereo sound, and that Super Mario World is included.
Okay, we'll get it for him. So, how long did he work on you?
About 2 weeks.
CTV is having a magical Mario Paint Christmas contest. Draw a picture with a Christmas theme. Use pens, pencils, markers, Mario paint, whatever. It's up to you. Your artistic talents could win you $500 of cool stuff from either Nintendo or Fisher-Price. The winning entries will be shown on CTV during our animated holiday specials, so all of Canada can see your masterpiece. Watch for details in the holiday season guide arriving soon in the mail. So start drawing and send them in.
What if he's hungry? He won't be hungry. Every other kid in the world's gonna feed him. Okay.
May your season be magical. Make it a blockbuster holiday.
Cool. I heard Matt got a Sega Genesis. I heard Matt got a Sega Genesis.
Well, I guess one more is okay.
The Sega Genesis. Game cartridges sold separately.
I don't want to grow up. I'm a Toys R Us kid.
There's a million toys at Toys R Us that I could play with.
For the hottest arcade games in town, come to Toys R Us. Sega's new Genesis system with 16-bit graphics processor, controller, and Altered Beast game, just $289.99. And Sega's Master System, just $144.99 after $10 rebate at Toys R Us.
I want to be a toy.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
After these messages, we'll be right back.
Yeah.
We went to the big guy.
We laid the whole thing out for him.
We told him we had this great idea for a new game called Sonic and Knuckles.
It's Knuckles in his own game. Plus, it has new technology.
Lock-on technology.
So you can play Knuckles in Sonic 2 and 3.
It's revolutionary.
You just laughed at us. So we sold the whole thing to Sega?
Who's laughing now? Batman!
Game Boy Color.
Get into it.
Jingle bells,
Christmas really stunk. I got nothing that I like, my gifts were all just junk.
Boxes full of clothes,
CDs no one knows. When I wanted something for my Nintendo 64. Zelda's great, Turok 2, South Park would be fine. How about Rogue Squadron? That game should be mine.
Make up for a lame Christmas. Get the hits you missed on N64.
Mom and Dad, I'm so sad.
Why did Mom give you the silver? I was supposed to get the silver.
Where were you when Mom was sick?
Oh, that's right. You were in Florida with that guy.
Don't talk to my wife that way.
Talk to her any way I want to.
Excuse me.
You know, you're not even
I've got to say, I think I want to be a Democrat.
Okay, time out. Fangs and claws away. Peace on earth, goodwill to each other. Where's the love? You can't stop, Grandma. You can't.
PlayStation.